unstoppable.
We work our way through the heartache, and then we're back where we started. We've gone full circle again, but that's what we do. That's just what we do. It's like a game that you cannot win. Somehow I don't wanna change a thing. I tell myself what a fool I've been. Gone full circle, like we always do. Like we always do.
Number 1, Ellie Indonesia.
Hindi ko po akalain na maging member ako ng Hall of Famer.
Dito natin dadalhin ang maraming tao sa tamang opportunity para makuha.
Like we always do.
This year 2025, ngayong taon ay celebrate my 30 years. Minsan ko, kung makaya ko, kaya mo rin. Team Sunday, let's go to speed. Cheers everyone.
350 Sante business owners, 5 days and 4 nights, aboard the Ovation of the Seas, sailing from Hong Kong, Japan, through China. This is the Sante Line.
In 30 minutes, lilipad na kami papunta ng Hong Kong! Touchdown Hong Kong! Victoria Harbor! Grabe, sobrang lamig! So, sana next time kasama ka namin. See you soon!
This is my first time na mag-qualify sa regional travel.
Kaya nung nalaman ko na ako po ay nag-qualify, sobra po akong natuwa, natatawa, naiiyak.
Naiyak ako talaga, super happy. Kasi kasama ko yung anak ko. Kasi siguro sa buong buhay ko, hindi ko makaya siguro. Kahit mag-retire ako na ma-experience ng anak ko yung ganito.
Bata pa sila, talagang wala kaming time sa kanila. Pero ngayon, because of Sante, time freedom yung binigay nila sa amin.
The family that do the Sante business together succeeds and travels together.
Tuntua ako kasi punta kami ng Okinawa, Japan. And napakaganda pala talaga ng Japan.
Ngayon, nandito naman kami sa China. Welcome to Beijing!
And we live for more with Sante.
And we live for more with Sante.
We live for more with Sante.
I live for more with Sante.
Hello, Sante! Grabe! Ang sisipag naman ng mga partners natin na nasa Eton ngayon. Palakpakan nyo sila! Grabe! Pagkatapos makinig ng SBO ni Mentor Eds, ayan, nandito na sila ngayon. Grabe! 'Di ba? So para naman sa mga team bahay, live tayo ngayon sa YouTube and Zoom. And para sa mga partners nyo po, nasa GC na po yung YouTube link or Zoom link, i-cascade nyo sa kanila kasi dapat wala silang ma-miss ngayong gabi. 'Di ba? Ang ganda ng CEO updates natin ngayon. Alam nyo, sorry Sir Joey, pero mag-advance na ako. Consider this as an early gift, Christmas, 'di ba? Holiday gift sa ating lahat. Maraming mga magagandang updates mamaya ang ating CEO. Kaya naman, ayun, i-share nyo po yung link, Zoom link, YouTube link sa ating mga partners pa na wala pa o hindi pa nanonood. Baka nanonood pa sila ng ibang palabas. Ang panoorin nila ngayon ay CEO updates. Ayan. So, ready na ba ang lahat? Ayan. So, I want you to all focus mamaya and, di ba, i-prepare nyo yung team ninyo and yung mga sarili ninyo for our CEO updates. Ayan. Marami tayong mga good news. So, let's start na. Excited na din ako and marami tayong mga partners na basa ko kanina sa Zoom and sa Facebook. Super excited na silang lahat. Gusto na nilang simulan tong CEO updates na to. Kaya, sino ba naman ako para pigilan kayo? Kaya, please welcome our Ironman CEO, live I think from Canada. Let's all welcome Sir Joey Marcelo.
Hello everyone. Yeah, it's 7 a.m. here. Nasa ako? I'm in Calgary, Canada, 7 a.m. Malamig rito. Negative kahapon, 0 degrees eh. So negative 2 yata ngayon. So early in the morning. Kamusta kayo lahat? May mga nasa Eton, gabi na. Hindi mo kayo nahanap ang parents nyo. Nagawa nyo dyan. So, kamusta kayo lahat dyan? So, I'd like to say hi to everyone who's watching, mga live sa Eton, and to all who's here in Zoom. May iba naghahanap ng FB Live. I think nasa yata tayo, YouTube eh. And most probably, isi-share din naman nila sa FB Live. So, hello to everyone. I just arrived from, the other day, I arrived from Chicago, going to Canada. And then, mamaya, it's 7 a.m. here. Mamayang 6 p.m. is my main presentation here in Canada. We're expecting around mga 30 to 40 people attending our event. Kalahati ng members na. Kalahati mga first-timers. So we'll be talking about Sante Next AI. And very soon, we'll be opening in Canada. We're about to register our products here. Coming from Coming from US. So US and Canada na tayo. Alright, and then next week naman, I'll be meeting our team in LA. So back to US ako. Before going back to the Philippines for our series of road shows. Alright. Napapansin nyo, naka-jacket ako. No? Malamig dito ngayon. Sobrang lamig. Alright, so I think we can start na. No? We have 231 attendees in Zoom. Later on, don't worry, i-upload ko rin to sa mga different group chats so you can get a copy of the presentation. So just to give an intro, it's already October 15. Tama, no? October 15. Ito natin to until the end of the year, di ba? 2.5 months more to go before officially starting Sante Next AI. So, what we'll do is, ihataw na natin, ito na natin to. Kailangan lahat masaya, di ba? Kailangan lahat masaya. Kumbaga parang kung meron tayong what we call as bridging between the old program and Sante Next AI, so ito na yon. 2.5 months. So we'll do everything to make the business more exciting para sa lahat ng mga business owners natin. By the way, this is not only for Philippines, okay? This is also for our partners globally. All right? So sige, I'll share my screen na. Let's officially start our CEO update for the month of October, starting October 15. Okay. All right. I believe you can see my screen naman, ano? Sino ba nakikita ko rito? Clear naman, no? Yes, I think you can see my screen now. Wait lang. Di na ako sanay mag-zoom call ng naka-laptop lang, aliits. All right. Let's start, okay? Some updates with regards to our branch operations. We'll be having an awarding ceremony, the Beat It to Win It winners, awardees. This will be on October 20, 2025, 6 p.m. All right? And we will also recognize our newest branch, which is Bayugan, Agusan del Sur. So this will be in, of course, in our Barley Hall, dyan sa Eton Cyberpod, Sante Philippine Headquarter. October 20, 5:30, we'll be recognizing our new branch, and by 6 p.m., we'll be awarding, all right? We'll be having some branch awarding, those who qualified for our Beat It to Win It promo. All right, next. Some announcements. This is for the global market, all right? Announcement. Sante Product Center now available internationally this October. So alam naman natin yung SPC, ito yung former franchisee natin. In the US, we call it SSC, Sante Service Center. So officially, we're rolling out our Sante Product Center internationally. So lahat ng mga former franchisees natin in Hong Kong, in Macau, in Singapore, in UAE, saan ba? In Qatar, in Cyprus. So good news, ngayong October, i-roll out natin again yung Sante Product Center. Alright? So, how to reinstate, okay, coming from your franchisee account? Who pala, ano? Sino yung mga pwede mag-apply? Of course, former franchisees and SSCs. Ang process lang of reinstatement is just submit a letter of request, letter of intent to CX and Amelie. Okay? Request will undergo review and validation, and approve accounts reactivation in phases per country readiness. All right? So mag-apply na kayo. Of course, leading towards Sante Next AI na to, ha? Because all our existing franchisees, yung mga franchise natin before in the international market, when you submit your request or letter of intent to reactivate your account or reinstate your account, pag naaprubahan natin yan, of course, by next year, Sante Next AI, automatically, global product center kayo. And at the same time, 5-star kayo. So please announce this to everyone, especially to our international market who are not present in this Zoom call. Paki-announce nyo lang sa team nyo. So let's talk about some training schedules. Well, this coming October 29, we'll be having a very important training. This is entitled Launchpad. This is a preparation na for AI, di ba? So, Matt Kahilog will be doing the training at 4 p.m. October 29. This is building your business with responsible AI. So, alam niyo naman, by 2026, we'll be heavy on artificial intelligence. So, ngayon pa lang, dapat pine-prepare na natin yung Sante team. So again, October 29, 4 p.m. here in our training room sa Sante Barley Hall featuring Mr. Matt Kahilog. Alright? Ito, excited na ako rito. Excited na ako sa ating roadshow. This is the Sante Next AI Grand Roadshow. This will be the 3 major launches of our Sante Next AI. Well, the grand launching will be next year. So let's consider this as our soft launching already in the Philippines. We will be in 3 major places. Okay. Of course, in Cagayan de Oro will be on November 23. It will be at the Grand City Hotel. In Bacolod naman will be in SMX SM Bacolod on November 16. And of course, sa Manila, our grand events. Sa Manila will be on November 11, 1 to 6 p.m. at the Samsung Hall, SM Aura. Malaking event to. Of course, I'll be there. I'll be doing the presentation. Paul Kaluwag will be there. Jason Lowe will be our keynote speaker for the event. We'll be having also some guest panelists, Ed Heronilla, Jun Atlas, Gabi Calya, Charlie Chase, and of course, Step Garate. This will be an exciting event at the Samsung Hall. So, good news, wala namang bayad to. So, libre to. Pero yun nga lang, limited seats and first come, first serve. Alright? So, as early as now, please register. So, nakita niyo yung QR code sa screen nyo. So, please register, limited seats only. Alright? This will be our official launching, okay, of our Sante Next AI. Hopefully, during this time, I'll be able to demo to you the new website of the company. And of course, we'll present to you the final compensation plan during these events. So please invite everyone. All right? So these are our 3 major roadshow, ano? Soft launching for Sante Next AI. But of course, hindi lang naman yun. Kasi umiikot yung mga Sante elites natin all over the Philippines. We'll be in Palawan on October 26, Cavite, November 15, November 8, Tarlac, November 29, Batangas, November 16, San Jose, Occidental, Mindoro, November 23, Laguna. Will also be going to Bulacan, Antipolo, and Tabuk to be announced yung date. Antique, November 18, Dumaguete, November 9, Leyte, November 21, Calibo, November 22, Iloilo, November 29, December 6, Cebu. So wala nang awa tong mga kapatid. Zamboanga, October 16, Camiguin Island, October 17, Bislig, October 25, Sultan Kudarat, November 15. We will be all over the Philippines in preparation for Sante Next AI. Excited na ba kayo? Siyempre, hindi ko kayo madidinig sumigaw, pero makikita ko lang ang reaction ng mga nasa Eton. Yung mga nasa Eton, excited na ba kayo? Yun, yan. Taas yung kamay nyo para makita. Yan. yan. Okay. Yung talagang challenge pag na-zoom, hindi ko madinig yung mga reaction ng mga partners natin. Alright, I'm excited with the roadshow. Kasama ko doon sa 3 major roadshows. I'll be in Cagayan de Oro, Bacolod, and in, of course, sa Samsung Hall sa Manila. Alright? May nag-raise ang hand. Sorry, Marites, ha? Walang Q&A dito ngayon, ha? Hindi pwede mag-raise ang hand. Alright, next. Some Salvo announcements. Save the date. Alam niyo na naman to. February 5 will be our Gila night at the Manila Marriott Hotel for our qualifiers, of course. Branch Operator Conference will be at the Hive, February 6, 2026. And of course, our National Sales Convention at the World Trade Center, Metro Manila. This will be on February 8, 2026. And of course, our National Sales Convention will be the grand launching of Sante Next AI. This will be our biggest event ever. Right? Exciting to. hindi lang recognition of our awardees, we will officially launch na Sante Next AI. Alright? Of course, are we still on our early bird price? Sabi dito kasi June 30 to August 13 early bird eh. But anyway, please coordinate with Amelie or Sante Philippines. Early bird price is 1,100. Promo price is 10 plus 1. So naka 10 plus 1 naman. Alright, so please buy your tickets now. Okay. So for 1,100, you'll get 1 box of Barley 10s. May raffle entry ka na, Salvo t-shirt. Alright? Of course, alam niyo naman, magpaparaffle tayo ng 2 kotse rito, di ba? Isa sa mga attendees, isa naman for our, yung Tesla raffle. I'll show you a video later. We have a promotional video for that. Alright, so by the way, available na nga pala sa sa Eton office, our official Sante Next AI shirts. So available na. Murang-mura lang for only 180 pesos. Alright, limited stocks lang to. Okay, for Sante Next AI. So buy your shirt. Diba? Buy your shirt. And at this point, let me share you a video of our Tesla raffle. So please watch this video.
Live for more, win for more. This is it. The raffle of a lifetime. Join our nationwide raffle promo, and every product purchase or activation pack availment gives you entries for a chance to win the ultimate prize, a brand new Tesla Model 3. No distractions, no limits, just you, the open road, and the drive of tomorrow. Don't miss your shot. The countdown to your Tesla starts now. Shop, earn entries, live for more, win for more.
All right. So we'll be giving away 1 Tesla Model 3. So may QR code dyan. Just scan the QR code for details. I won't explain the details anymore, but of course, these are for our business owners who will be sponsoring or purchasing sponsoring or activating. All right, using our activation packages. And and everyone, of course, every 5,000 cumulative purchase will give you a raffle prize. This will be an electronic raffle, and in your website, pag nag-open ka ng website mo, nasa pinaka-dashboard na natin yan. So kung ilan na yung raffle prices mo, raffle tickets mo. It will be an electronic raffle for our Tesla car. Diba? Sa mga nanonood sa Zoom, mag-thumbs up nga kung sino yung mga gustong manalo ng Tesla car. Or naniniwala na mananalo sila ng Tesla car. So, thumbs up lang, thumbs up. Yan. Very good. Sino nga kaya talaga ang mag-uuwi ng Tesla car? Excited ako dyan. Let me present to you some marketing updates. First is, of course, we've sponsored yung ating starting October 15, we're one of the sponsors of Kuya Kim's podcasts. Ano ba talaga? So I think a while ago, yung first airing, pero we'll give you a snippet of that in a while. Hindi na umabot rin ngayon, di ba? So let me just share to you a sample of Kuya Kim's podcast.
Alam niyo, marami nagtatanong sa akin, ano bang sikreto ko for my fitness at my age? I'm almost 59 years old. Of course, given ang regular exercise, given na rin ang healthy diet, but not everyone knows that I swear by Sante Barley, and I've been taking Sante Barley for so many years now. Sante Barley is a certified organic and barley grass from New Zealand. At certified ito ng BioGrow. It's good for digestion and strengthens your immunity dahil puno ito ng nutrients at antioxidants. That's why I live for more with Sante Barley.
Ayan, so I think a while ago was the first episode, and I will be giving you a sample of that podcast, diba? Siyempre, we will be supporting Kuya Kim. So start of sponsorship will be October 15. So it will be a 1-year campaign. 1-year program. 1-year sponsorship campaign. And that is our objective in the next coming months. By the way, we will be heavy on getting influencers, diba, to promote not only Sante Barley as a product, but of course, promote our business. So watch out for more and more media campaign of Sante International. Again, lahat naman to leading towards 2026 because we're already preparing for a bigger year next year. All right, national finals now of our Sante Trilogy Run Asia. So please watch this video.
Good morning, runners! Are you guys excited to run?
Race strong, race safe. Bottom line, let's just have fun.
Welcome to the Sante Barley Trilogy Trilogy Run Asia.
After a 10K run, Sante Barley is such a good post-run drink.
Yeah, so I love Sante Barley because it's healthy. It's healthy for everyone.
Magandang umaga, good morning and welcome to Manila Leg 2 of the Sante Barley Trilogy Run Asia.
I drink Sante Barley in the morning before I go to training, and it really helps prepare my body to face all of the hard workouts, and especially for recovery. It actually tastes like matcha, so it's really good. It tastes really good, and it's really good for your body.
Sold out na naman tayo! From leg 1 to leg 2. More than 12,000 participants yung nag-join dito. Thank you so much sa inyong suporta.
Welcome to the Sante Barley Trilogy Run Asia Manila Leg 3.
So worth it because that's what Sante is all about. It's about health and wellness. It's a successful race and excited namin because tapos tayong 3 legs. Looking forward sa 42 kilometers this coming November. So to all who participated, congratulations and thank you for supporting the Sante Barley Trilogy Run Asia.
Alright, so our national finals will be coming very soon. This will be on November 9 at SM MOA Complex. So there will be several top business owners of Sante who will be joining the 42K. So para mag-qualify ka sa finals, kailangan tumakbo ka ng initial 16K, and then 21K, and then 32K. Pag natapos po yung tatlo, you'll be having parang a slot. Pwede ka mag-participate sa finals. Alright, and there's a special medal. So yung mga tumakbo rin ng mga 5K, yan, kasama ka rin sa finals if nakumpleto mo yung tatlo. So there will be some of our top leaders, okay? Marami tayong Sante Elite who will be running the marathon, the 42 kilometers in this national finals. I really hope that in the coming years, more and more Sante partners. Nakakatuwa kasi during this share muna ako. Makasawa na kayo sa para mo ako naman na makita niyo muna. During this event, yung Sante Trilogy Run, meron din silang team award yung pinakamaraming members. So there's a company there with several thousands of employees. Sabi ko, pangarap ko someday, since brand natin yon, Sante Barley Trilogy Run Asia, sana several thousands of business owners ang sumali. Hindi naman kailangan talagang sumali ng mga 20. Of course, if you can run the 21K, 32, okay yan, di ba? Pero you can run the 5K, or you can walk the 5K, you can run 10K. Bottom line, just join. Diba? Sali kayo. Kasi yan, mas maganda talaga medyo maingay pag yung mga tiga Sante, syempre, sumasali sa mga ganyang activities. And that's who we are. That's who we are. That's the reason why we exist. It's because we would like to help people live better lives, but by participating in events like this or having health and wellness as part of their daily routine. Yan. Sabi niya, sarap sumali kung nasa Pilipinas lang ako. Totoo yun, di ba? Pero maraming nasa Pilipinas di sumasali. Hindi ko alam kung bakit, di ba? Siguro kung may promo tayo, pag sumali sila ron, sasali yung mga yan. Dami-dami natin sa Pilipinas no? Sali na kayo. Masaya yan. Alright. Sige, let's continue on with our updates. Alright, so during our events, okay, all our products are buy one, take one on all products, plus receive a gift for every 2,500 purchase on race day. Alright, so kahit di ka sumali sa race, pumunta ka na lang din doon, buy one, get one ang product doon. Of course, buy one, get one at SRP yan, at SRP. Buy one, get one, all products. So you can invite your friends kung meron kayong gusto patry ng product natin. Even though you're not racing, just go there and enjoy, participate, and enjoy the events. All right? Of course, other than our sporting activities, Sante is very active for the past few weeks with our corporate social responsibility programs with Sante Cares. Initially, of course, we've launched the Sante Cares free clinic. So, panoorin natin itong video na to.
Part of our mission of helping people live better lives, of course, we are also advocates of wellness and healthy living. That's why we had this free clinic drive for everyone. Sante HR partners with Sante Cares as part of our mission of helping people live better lives.
Not only with the Sante employees, but also with the whole Sante community.
The whole day, nakakatuwa, maraming pumattend na business owners, members and non-members who availed of the free clinic. So we have 3 medical doctors, nag-conduct sila ng mga exams. The first 20 were given free flu vaccine shots. We ended up with a wellness talk with Dr. Mikey Vergara. It's all free, care of Sante Barley.
And this is not just a one-time activity, but we will also be holding this type of activity in other areas in the Philippines.
Alright, so that is our Sante Care Free Clinic Drive. So please take note of this schedule. Alright, October 25, we will be in Giginto, Bulacan. November 22 will be in Lipa, Batangas. So gawin na natin to. This part of our program na, di ba? Sante is more than just giving business opportunities to our members, but it's also about sharing blessings naman to people. So we'll be having free clinic drives every now and then. We will be traveling all over the Philippines and eventually all over the globe to, of course, hold our free clinic drive. All right? So another video.
It started in Manila. Now we're bringing it to Bulacan and Batangas. Because Sante is more than just a business. We are advocates of health and wellness. Believing that wellness is a right, not a privilege. Through Sante Cares, we give back to the community. Because true wellness goes beyond business. It's about care, compassion, and community. The Sante Free Clinic Drive.
If you're happy with our Sante Clinic Drive program, paki-type nga ng 1 sa chat group. Happy ba kayo dito? Do you want us to continuously do this, di ba? Ganda, di ba? Alam mo, isang gusto kong gawin talaga someday, pangarap ko lang din is nakaplano na matagal na yun eh. Busy lang tayo masyado ngayon because of Sante Next AI. Meron tayong parang truck roaming clinic na umiikot all over the Philippines to do free clinics. Gawin natin yan. Diyan talaga tayo nakilala since day 1 di ba? Yung mga free clinics natin. So, we'll be doing that regularly. Not only, of course, in Metro Manila, but all over the Philippines. Okay? So, tuloy-tuloy ang Sante Cares. Recently, we've supported a school in Batino Elementary School. We have a donation drive, school hygiene and learning kits. I'll also share to you a video later. Pero the good news is we've distributed 1,000 kits in this event. Ang dami nating batang mga natulungan dito. So, please watch this video.
So good morning everyone. Welcome to Batino Elementary School Learning Kit Distribution Program. And this is actually sponsored by none other than Sante International.
Ang pangako namin hindi matitigil yung effort namin sa pagtulong sa mga bata kung ano man ang kailangan ng community, especially for STEM community. Kasi ang mission ng company namin is actually to help people live better lives. And naniniwala kami na magsisimula yun sa inyo, sa mga bata, sa kamay ng mga teachers at mga parents na nandito.
So very busy talaga ang ating Sante Cares team. Of course, di pa nagtatapos yun doon. So recently we did our donation drive in Cebu and Bogo. Alam naman natin they were heavily hit by the storm So yeah, please watch this video.
Last weekend, Sante extended its helping hand to our brothers and sisters affected by the recent earthquake in Cebu and Bugo. Through Sante Cares, we live out our mission to help people live better lives, especially in times of need. Sante initiated immediate relief efforts, purchasing essential grocery packs and supplies for displaced and affected families. Every pack was prepared with care, a small gesture with a big impact for those who lost their homes and comfort.
Sante Cares, realize we share a brighter world beyond despair. Together strong, we mend, repair. Sante Cares, Sante Cares.
We extend our heartfelt appreciation to our Cebu team for their compassion, initiative, and unwavering dedication. Your efforts reflect the true meaning of Sante Cares, a community that acts with heart and purpose. Together we continue to uplift lives, bring hope, and care for communities in need. Because at Sante, we believe that together we live better lives.
Every tear turns bright today.
Yun. Sarap din ng feeling honestly partners ang sarap din talaga ng feeling ng nakatulong ka sa community So I think we will be heavy on our Sante Cares program in the years to come. All right? We've been here for the past 18 years and when we say our mission is to help people live better lives, it's not only the lives of yung mga members natin, business owners, but it's also the lives of people around our community. Those who are not members of Sante who needs our help, diba? So that's the least that we can do, diba, to support our community. Pero syempre, ang best pa rin dito, if our business owners will always participate. Dapat nga someday, 'di ba, if there's an event like this wherein we have to visit a location, maganda kasama namin namimigay ng mga donations mga Sante business owners. So looking forward to going out of our way and be with my business partners, business owners, and traveling the Philippines not only to present Sante but to share the blessings naman to the community. So samahan nyo kami. All right? Let's continue on with our update. Let's talk about Sante Beauty. Yan. Sante Beauty naman tayo. So alam naman natin that we're continuously kalolons ng, of course, ng ating Sante Beauty line. I think it's getting stronger. We already conducted 2 beauty talks, diba? Sa Sante Beauty Talk 1, beauty starts within, the science of collagen and barley for skin health. That's September 12, very successful event. And we have our Sante Beauty Talk 2, the first step to radiance, why a gentle cleanser matters, October 10. Of course, please mark your calendars. We will be having series of events pa rin with Dr. Rico Sebastian. We'll be having an event on November 14, so no harsh peeling, just clear skin, Sante Beauty Toner. December 12, your ultimate glow guard, tint, hydrate, and protect in one swipe, the Sante Beauty Sunscreen. And of course, January 9, start of the year, the PM Serum for AM Perfection, the Sante Beauty Night Serum. So please, okay? Ito pa pala. January 16, All In for Glow, the Sante Beauty Skincare Routine, the Sante Beauty All Products. Alright, so please mark your calendar. Dahil by 2026, hindi lang tayo dapat kumita ng malaki at maging healthy, dapat maging beauty pa tayo. Siyempre, di ba? Type to nga sa chat box yung mga naniniwalang 2026 will be a beautiful year for you. Yan. Yan ang mga magiging mga beautiful business owners inside and out by 2026. Ganyan naman dapat pag Sante business owner ka. You're beautiful inside and outs. Diba? Yung mapalakpak si Susan. Susan, niwala ka, diba? Totoo, diba? Siyempre, dapat beautiful. Alright. Next. Ito, excited ako rito. In my own way, excited ako. Kasi malapit nang mabuksan ang ating Sante Experience Center. Yay! Natapos na. Within October, promise, bukas na to. Alright, ang kulang na lang dito are the LED screens coming, imported kasi, coming from outside. Pero this is a one-of-a-kind experience center. Na hopefully someday, even in small, small versions, ma-implement din natin sa mga branches natin all over the Philippines. So the Sante Experience Center is just yung tapat lang ng ating Barley Hall. Maganda rito, di ba? From the outside, kitang-kita na yung branding natin ng Sante. So this will open this October. Mukhang maunang mag-open to kaysa dan yung pagbalik ko. I'll be back on the 26th pa. By the way, to all of you who's watching right now, welcome again. We are 351 in Zoom. I don't know how many are watching in YouTube and FB Live. So welcome to our October 15 CEO updates. I'm here in Calgary, Canada right now. Temperature check. Anong temperature ngayon? Ang lamig. Nasa loob ako ng kwarto, naka-jacket ako. Temperature check. Napakainit. -4 degrees in Calgary. -4. Diba? Pero walang snow. -4 degrees. It's 7 a.m. here. By 6 p.m., I'll be meeting our Calgary team. I'm expecting around 40 people to attend our presentation later. It's a presentation and leaders meeting. So hindi ko na-realize na meron na pala tayong solid group dito. And they are excited because sabi nga nila, we are the first ever Filipino direct selling company na coming from the Philippines. So talagang i-register yung product here in their area. Tapos excited daw sila kasi first time doon nilang maka-experience na merong top executive ng kumpanya na bumiyahe rito to talk to them. Nakakatawa, yung mga ganun kasimpleng bagay, di ba? They appreciate it. And we are in the process of registering our products in Canada. The goal is first quarter of 2026, we're officially registered here in Canada. So may US tayo, may Canada. At bago magtapos ng taon, syempre, bubuksan natin ang Saudi Arabia. Kaya ready na kayo, ha? Next year, medyo magugulong mundo natin. We're all over the world. Alright? Now, ito na. Let's talk about our year-end promos. Sabi ko nga kanina, itodo na natin to, di ba? 2.5 months more before Sante next AI. So, let me share to you what will happen in the next coming months, okay? At least, most of this is until November 30, some until December. So, isa-isa na natin, okay? Ready na ba kayo? Yan, mahaba-haba pa rin to. Dami natin promo, Tuloy ba natin lahat to? Para masaya. Masaya yung yung bridging natin for Sante Next AI. Okay. Simulan muna natin dito. So for siyempre mag-Christmas na, di ba? Especially for a lot of Filipinos, very precious sa atin ang Christmas season. Because we love giving gifts and accepting gifts. So for every Sante product purchase, get a gift wrapper and happy holiday cards. Absolutely free. Wala lang, para masaya, di ba? Oy mga kapatid, while supply last lang to, di ba? So yung ma-expect na pagbili nyo, talaga, I mean, tulungan nyo naman ang head office, di ba? Yung mga branches, di ba? Tulungan nyo. Di ba? Gift wrap, di ba? Para may pang gift wrap ka naman sa Christmas na Sante brand. Buy 6,000 worth of Sante products and get any merch item for free. So we have a lot of merch items that we're giving away. So every 6,000 worth of products, you can get this merch item. Anyway, please coordinate lang with your branches, branch operators, and of course, with our Eton head office. All right? Another good news, binago na natin yung ating reinstated program. Okay? In preparation for Sante Next AI. Remember, di ba, last year, what happened is, maraming medyo nasa top rank position ang na-downgrade dahil for 1 year, hindi sila nag-purchase ng product. So the good news is we'll be having an easier reinstatement program for everyone in preparation for Sante Next AI. So yung mga dating mga diamond na naging distributor or dating gold, naging distributor or whatever, di ba? Good news, gumawa na tayo ng simple. Erase na yung dating pinresent ko. Ito yung bago. Mas simple to. Okay. Promo is from October 1 to December 31. So they have 3 months. Okay. 3 months to qualify. Simple lang. Alright? These are different ranks. Okay? Bigyan ko lang kayo ng example. For example, Diamond. Makasponsor lang sila ng 6 na bagong business owner. 3 months to, in 3 months ha. And then, kung may 6 na sila, isang buwan, nagkaroon sila ng 700 barley points product purchase, which is the requirement for Diamond. Balik uli yung pagiging Diamond nila. So, ganun kasimple lang. Mag-maintain lang kung ano yung requirement nila before, mag-sponsor ng mga bagong business owner, and that's it. ED, mabilis lang, oh.
Sir
Tatlong
Joey?
business owner lang. Total yun, ha? From October to
Joey?
December.
Sir Joey?
Yes.
Sir, parang putol daw yung share screen niyo po.
Talaga?
Opo, sir. Baka naka-zoom ba sa'yo, sir?
Hindi naman dito. Try kong i-unshare, ha? And then
Sige,
share ko
sir.
ulit. Iyan.
Yan, sir. Okay na po.
Alright. Okay. So, yan. From ED to Green Diamond. ED, mabilis lang, oh. 200 barley points, which is the requirement for ED, and then tatlo lang. October to December to, ha, 3 buwan, ha. Pero I'm not saying 200 barley points in 3 months, ano. Yung 3 bagong sponsor, kailangan makuha mo in 3 months. And then, for sure, para maganda, every month, starting October, di ba? Mag 200 barley points ka. Balik ka sa pagiging ED. Siyempre, in preparation to for Sante next AI. Alright? Sige. Next, another promo. Alright? Our Sante Preferred Membership promo. Want a lifetime discounts? Become a preferred member from October 15 to December 31. Ano yung promo natin? 1480. Same price pa rin naman, di ba? Pero good news, we will be giving away free Fusion Coffee. So, hindi lang siya dalawang Sante Barley 10s. May kasama pang 1 box of Fusion Coffee for free. So, for 1488, you'll become a preferred member of Sante. Alam niyo naman, pag preferred member, walang business yan. Alright? But at least, they can buy the products of Sante at member's price. At pagdating ng Sante Next AI, automatically, member pa rin sila, di ba? Preferred member pa rin sila. Good news ngayon, may libreng 1 box of Fusion Coffee. Sabi sa inyo ang year-end natin, todo na talaga. Para masaya lahat, di ba? So, preferred membership, sobrang sulit na yan, ano? 1488, ano? Parang nabili mo na at member's price yan. Anyway, para happy-happy lang tayo lahat. Alright, next. Ito, excited ako rito. Automatic star rank promo. Sabi ko sa inyo, di ba, todo na? October 15 to December 31. Of course, these are for those who understands what Sante NXA is and the advantages of having yung mga star ranks, di ba? So, good news. Pag nag-builder ka ngayon, 3-star ka na. Pag nag-extreme pa ka, 4-star ka. Pag ikaw ay ultimate pack, dati na to, 5-star ka na. Ayan, para masaya na, di ba? Ready na ba kayo for Sante NXA? Kung masaya kayo dito sa in-announce ko to, type ano naman? Type 5. 5 naman. 5. Kailangan masaya tayo lahat eh. Sabi naman sa inyo eh. Di ba? So yung mga yung mga naka-builder pack lang ngayon, huwag ka nang malumbay. 3-star ka na. Alam ko may mga questions kayo rito, no? Please coordinate na lang with Sante Philippines, with Jamie and Paul and Amelie, di ba? Kasi alam naman natin bakit importante yung 3-star kasi 3-star nagsisimula yung rank advancement for Sante Next AI. So mag-builder ka ngayon, 3-star ka na. Extreme Pack, 4-star. Ultimate, 5-star. Dibang saya? Alright, next. Diba? Kamusta kayo mga nasa FB Live tsaka nasa YouTube? Ano? Sana masaya kayo dyan. Alright, next. Regional travel tayo. Let's recognize some of our qualifiers. Ito as of September 25 lang to ha. Hindi pa to latest. Let's welcome our new qualifiers. As of September 25. Tentenen. Gabriel Icalia Jr., C8M Health Products, Jerry Kindo, Jermaine Chase, Martin Oclaritz, Jose Gisalan, Marlito Kalinga. Next, Justin Kindo, Clifford Monter, Flor de Lisa Ke, Eden Trinidad, Gilbert Maestro, Melchor Daug,
Eileen Padulyon. And last, Gemma Mamagat. Hanggang September 2025 lang to. So, unofficially, if I'm not mistaken, nasa around 170 na or 180. Sino ba gustong makasali? Taas kamay. Marami ba yan? Okay, you are invited by the way, no? This coming October 20, we'll be having our SDQ Regional Travel Wall Awarding. So, i-recognize natin sa Barley Hall yung mga qualifiers natin so that they can paste they can stick their names dun sa ating Regional Travel Wall. So, punta kayo, masaya yan. Live yan, di ba? Pero alam niyo kung ano yung mas masaya? Ito yung mas masaya. Tingnan natin, para sigurado lang ako yun ang next slide ko. Gusto niyo masaya? Ito masaya. Alright? Double the travel points from October 15 to November 30. O, bilisan nyo na. Mabilisan na. Kailangan dumami tayo. By the way, may ano nga pala, no? Meron akong gustong i-take note dito. Double the travel points, pero we set a maximum only. Maximum of 300. We're already around 170. So, 130 more to go. Ubusin nyo na hanggang November 30. Para December, focus na tayo sa something next AI. October 15 to November 30, double the travel points. Philippines and international. Nakasum lang ako, ba't ako sumisigaw? Dali. Okay? Sinong gustong sumama? Type me. Sa group chat, type me. Me. Yan request yun. Sabi sa inyo, dapat masaya ang last 2.5 months natin Promo is open to all Sante business owners in the Philippines and international with SDQ travel promo. Activation pack must be registered and activated during the promo period to earn double points. Alright? Starting October 15. 1.5 months yan. Busin na natin para makompleto ng 300. Dahil nabili na natin ticket at 300 challenging ang district cruise ngayon dahil nagkakaubusan. So at least secure na tayo for 300. Alright. Okay pa kayo? Time out muna, time out. Stretch muna tayo ng konti. Yung mga nasa Eton, okay pa kayo? Say pa kayo dyan? Okay. Yung mga nasa YouTube, FB, and Zoom, okay pa kayo? So we're down with, ilan pa ba to? 3 promo na lang. Pero saya nito. Grabe, loaded. So naniniwala ba kayo na masaya yung ending ng 2025 natin, di ba? Para loaded. Alright, tuloy na tayo tuloy-tuloy na. Announcement muna. Di ba remember recently nag-launch tayo ng Rising Star and Mentorship Bonus Promotion. Di ba? Nag-launch tayo recently. From August 1 yata yun Ganito yung mga partners we will be ending na muna yung promo na to hanggang October 15. Nilaunch natin August 1 Ngayon, for those who have qualified from August 1 to October 15, okay lang. You'll get your reward. Don't worry. Coordinate with Sante Philippines and get your reward. So, basahin ko lang ito. In our continuous effort to enhance our rewards program and align them with the exciting direction of Sante and XAI, we are deferring na the Rising Star and Mentorship Bonus Promotion starting October 15. So, kinata natin from August 1 to October 15 na lang. Kung may mga nag-qualify, congratulations, you'll get your award. Ang tanong, bakit natin tinigil na? Para mas masaya. Tinigil pero masaya. Oo, masaya. Bakit masaya? Kasi from October 16 to November 30, double the fast start bonus tayo. Para hatawan na, double the fast start bonus, October 16 to November 30. Promo is open to all business owners in the Philippines international market, applicable to all activation packages and upgrade packages. Fast start bonus will be credited on the 10th of the next month. Activation and upgrade packages must be purchased and activated within the promo period. Di yan. Todo na. Double the fast start na lang. Para masaya. So, 1.5 months to. October 16 to November 30. Whether upgrade or activation package, double the fast starts. Para masaya, di ba? So, hataw na yun natin. Hataw na yung last 1.5 months natin. At 2.5 months. Alright? Sa iba lahat, masaya? Yan, syempre. Can you type yes kung masaya kayo lahat? Yes lang, yes. Yan. Syempre, dapat masaya, di ba? O may dalawa pa. Dalawang announcement pa. Ito, I think, from October 16 also to November 30. From October 16 to November 30, buy 3 plus 3. Yung ating capsule, Santi Barley with stevia powder, yung naka-sachet, and Santi Barley without stevia. So 3 plus 3. Buy 3, get 3. October 16 to November 30. Why? We would like to flood the market with Santi Barley. Dapat nag-end ng taon na maraming taong nakakaalam nakakilala ng Santi Barley. Masaya na yan, ha? Alright? Last promo for the year. Ito, available to effective October 17. Hindi raw kakayanin bukas hanggang sa October 17 na. Activation Packs exclusive promo. Again, to help you gain your momentum in preparation for Sante Next AI. Okay? Ano itong promo na to? Kwento ko lang muna, no? As requested by our, ito nirequest sa mga Sante Elito. In one of our meetings, nag-request sila. Sir, pwede ba? Nakalimutan ko sino nag-request eh. Pero it's the Sante Elite team meeting. Nag-request sila, sir, pwede ba before the end of the year, yung mga packages natin para masaya, dagdagan lang natin ng produkto? O di sige. Pasayahin natin. Ito na. Ito yung ating starter pack, di ba? Product value 5,520. Good news, dinagdagan natin isang box ng 30s. So total product value niya 7,580. For our builder pack, formerly 20,000 product value, dagdagan natin ng mga products pa, dalawang 30s, isang 10s, isang capsule. Total product value na 26,000. Extreme pack from 47,880. Right now, it's 63,000 product value. May additional products. Ultimate pack, di ba? 119,000, meron kang 158,000 product value. Dinagdagan pa natin. Umabot na siya ngayon ng 200,000 product value. Di ba, mga kapatid? Todo na to. Starter to builder pack upgrade, 16,480 product value. Now it's 20,600 product value. Starter to extreme, 41,000 product value. Now it's 54,000 product value. Starter to ultimate, from 152,640 product value. Now it's 200,280 product value. Diba? Loaded, mga kapatid. And last but not the least, builder to extreme, from 27,700 product value, now it's 35,580 product value. And last but not the least, ito pala huli, builder to ultimate, from 133,180 product value to 178,760 product value. So kada package, tinuduhan na natin ng produkto para talagang yung last 3 months of the year nyo masaya. Alright, tapusin na siguro natin to hanggang ano ba sabihin natin ito? Para safe na lang siguro, while supply lasts. Di ba? While yung mga stocks natin available pa sa warehouse. Di ba? So let's end the year with the blasts. Again, all in preparation for our Sante Next AI, which I believe will be the start of something even more exciting and big for the entire Sante family. Right? Ay, meron palang huli. Meron pa palang extreme to ultimate pack. From 102,000 to 136,000 product value. Diba? Yan. So that's it. Don't worry kung hindi nyo na screenshot yun. Mamaya naman papadala ko naman yung natin. yung updated presentation in different group chats. Malaki-laki nga lang yung mga files, mga kapatid, ano. Pero para siguro para lumiit, I'll remove all the videos. I'll remove all the videos and then focus lang tayo on the product, on the slides para lumiit yung file. So I hope na maraming na-excite sa mga announcement natin ngayon. So yun na yun. Yan na yung CEO update natin for the year. Kasi by November, it's all about Sante Next AI launching na tayo. Okay ba? Tinodo na natin. Masaya kayo lahat. Di ba? Kahit hindi ko kayo nadidinig, alam kong everybody is happy, everyone is happy. Sa sobrang saya, ang dami nagre-raise ng hands, nag-ask ng question. Sorry, hindi ko kayo may entertain. Hindi ko kayo may entertain. Di ba? But anyway, partners, thank you very much for making Sante one of the best, if not the best, direct selling company in the Philippines. Ang dami natin experience together for the past 18 years. Series of ups and downs, but continuously we're growing, we're building, and we're creating something even better compared to who we are the previous months and the previous years. Yun naman goal natin, continuously improve. So I'm hoping and believing that everyone is happy with all our announcements right now. Kung mapapansin nyo, loaded na, tinodo natin lahat, binigyan na natin lahat because we would like you to end the year with the blasts. And praying and believing that 2026 will be the biggest year of your entire life because of Sante Next AI. Partners, thank you very much again for your time. It's almost 8 a.m. here in Canada, and I believe it's 10 p.m. in the Philippines right now. All right, I'm about to end our CEO update kasi yung mga nasa Eton baka magpuyat ng gusto, baka pagalitan ng parents sila. Diba? So, masaya sila. Nadidinig ko yung mga boss nila. So partners, thank you very much. God bless you all. Later, I'll be doing a presentation for Sante Calgary, Sante Canada. Before the end of the year, we'll be launching Sante Saudi Arabia. Next week, I'll be in LA. We will be all over the globe. I would like to say hi to Sante Indonesia. Nanonood sila ngayon, Sante Indonesia. Oh, mga tiga-iton, saya nyo.
Thank you, everyone.
Sante Indonesia ngayon. Hong Kong, Macau, Singapore, UAE, Qatar, Cyprus, USA, Sante all over the globe. Thank you very much. God bless you all. And see you all very soon in our roadshow. Thank you, and back to you, Joven.
Ayan. Sir Joey, grabe, nagwawala na yung mga tao dito sa Eton. Super excited na sila. Sobrang happy sila sa lahat ng mga promos natin. And for sure, yung mga tao din sa Zoom. Ayan, and YouTube. Ayan. So, that concludes our CEO updates tonight. So, have a restful evening, everyone. Thank you so much. See you po.
God bless you all. Ingat kayo lahat. See you soon.
Good night, everyone.